To contract your thighs. Relax please. Third pose. Side chest with your one cup. Side view of your thigh. Relax please. Fourth pose, back double biceps. Contact your back with your palm. Relax please. Last pose, abdominal pose, rectus abdominis. Contact your thigh. Relax please. Thank you. আপনারা পিছিয়ে যান, বাকি যারা